Hi guys, my name is Laura. This is my first summer semester that I'm attending at Widener. Hopefully that'll be a really good class and we can learn so much for each other. I actually work as a substitute in alternative school for kids that have behavior issues. We have a lot of people that are bipolar or anxiety, or they have autism, things like that. And I can see those kids are so bright and so charming, and I just want to help them to overcome the obstacles that they're having right now because of their mental illness. I think this would be a really good class to help talk to these kids. I don't do anything with diagnosing or treating because I'm not the doctor in the facility, but what I want to do is gain an understanding on what I need to do to help these kids and hopefully get them to open up and actually talk to me, and maybe we can deal with more of their issues that they have coming up. So, like I said, I'm really excited to have this class. I think this will be very interesting for me. That it could do a lot of different things as a social worker that I can do. So I'm glad you saw me, and I'm glad I'll know you in this the upcoming classes. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.